Saujanya and my friend Varsha Jeswani. We are here to explain you about animals. We have chosen a topic as animals. Since we know that animals is a vast species, yes, so we have selected specially farm animals. In that we will be letting you know their sound, their food, their houses. Okay, so through our teaching aids, which later can be used for revisiting the topic as learning aid and assessment purposes. We also intend to introduce new words in a fun way. Okay, so due to time constraints, we have thought that we wanted to do more, like their houses, their uses, and many more young ones also. But due to time constraint, we have not done that. So I would humbly request you all audience to behave as junior KG kids. Okay, how we behave as kids in school, we will be doing as same way. Okay, over to Varsha.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
No energy. Good morning, friends.
Good morning.
I still don't see any energy. Good morning, friends.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, now that's something better. Why are we so dull today? Are we excited to do something fun? Yes. Do we want to play a game? Yes, but before that, let me check the attendance. Who's absent today? Our friend Tina is absent.
Tina is absent. You all know Tina, na?
Yeah,
Is she
Tina
there?
is
She is
absent.
present or absent? Look around yourself. Is she there?
Tina is
No,
absent.
she is not there. She is absent. ma'am.
Now I remember. You know, her mama told me she is going to visit her grandfather at a very special place. You know where her grandfather lives? Her grandfather lives in a farm. Do you know what is a farm? Who can tell me what is a farm? Have you seen a farm? No. Okay, farm is a place where farmers, they grow some crops and they also raise animals. Now these are very helpful special animals. You know why they are special? Because they are helpful. They help all of us in many different ways. You know what? I just saw that Tina has sent me a video of her farm. Are you excited to see what she's doing out there?
Yes.
Let's see, okay.
Pause करो.
Oh, a cow, a pig. See? Now they're thinking of only food. Oh, they've reached already. E-I-E-I-O. And it's fun, we had some cows. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Your moo, their moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Come on, everyone. Oh, what is he doing? Milk, yummy milk. Yes. And what did the cow eat? Did you see? Had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm we have some pigs. E-I-E-I-O. With a 1 point here and a 1 point there. You're right there, like everywhere, like my old man's garden had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Because the pig loves to eat. Yummy tomatoes, lovely. MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horses. E-I-E-I-O. And a millionaire and a millionaire, you're me, there me, everywhere me, old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
What horse is it doing? No, what is it?
Ooh, oopsie doopsie. E-I-E-I-O. He had some horses. E-I-E-I-O. And you're a millionaire, you're me, there me, everywhere me, old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. See, Ma'am was such a silly thing. You're going in carriage? Where to, I wonder? Sheep! E-I-E-I-O. Son, we have some ships. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Wow, what is he up to? Oh, he's eating grains. Lovely. Johnny had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. Quack, 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 there, you're quack, there, quack, everywhere, quack, 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 quack. The farm, E-I-E-I-O. Oh, a duckling, a very good. Wow, so cute it would be, no? Lovely. Bye-bye. We miss you, Tina. Okay, now, would we want to play a game?
Yes.
Let's play roll the dice. Okay. Now who would want to roll the dice first? Okay. But next time I'm not going to give you the first chance. You always take the first chance. Wow. Wheat. Would you want to keep the animals wheat?
Yes, sir.
Ah, but which animal was eating wheat? I forgot. Does any of you remember? Which animals were there? Do you remember which animal was eating wheat? Hen. Oh, that's right. Now you get a chance to feed the hen some grains. Yay! Okay, who would want to roll the dice next? Okay,
Tomato.
Who has that? Yay! Okay. So you get to feed the pig. Okay, try again.
Once again, tomato.
Corn.
Who was eating corn?
Tell me who was eating corn?
Duck.
Duck? Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure? Okay, then you can feed the duck the corn.
Chuk, chuk, chuk.
Yes. Now who want to try next? We have 3 more animals. You're really hungry. Yes.
Grass. Which animal?
Eats the grass?
Cow.
Is this the cow?
No.
Moo cow.
Yes.
Okay. Moo cow eats the grass. Okay, 2 more animals are really hungry. Quick. Who would want to feed them? Carrot, ma'am. Carrot?
Carrot.
Carrot. I wonder.
Which one? Horse.
Horse? Is she right? Horse? Nearly horse eats the carrot?
Yes.
And do you know where the horse lives? The horse lives in the stable. The place where the horse lives is called the
Stable.
Wings.
Man call hai. Man call.
Wings. That's your mama. Blacky. Who's not very hungry. Okay, friends, now tell me, would you want to play the sound game? Or would we want to see the shelter? Sound game?
Yes.
Okay, so I would make the sound and you have to guess the animal. Okay, so who does?
And
Yes, hen. Okay, you get a high five. And who goes? What on? Pig. Yes. So you get a high five too. Now, I think there's someone very tall who runs very fast and stays in the stable, not table, and goes.
horse.
That's right. And let me see who was
Duck.
Duck. Very well done. And who else is remaining? I know that.
It's a black sheep.
Correct. That's right. Do you know the place where the sheep lives is called a pen, not the writing pen, but a pen. And the cow stays in a shed. Can you repeat after me? Shed. And where does the pig stay? Sty. Where does the pig stay?
Sty.
And where does Mr. and Mrs. Hen live?
Cool.
Oh, that's right. Very smart. We've already done stable. Now let's go to duck. Where do we see ducks? Has anyone seen duck? Where have you seen a duck?
In a pond.
In a pond. A high five for you too, and remind me to give you a star. You've been really lovely today.
Thank you, ma'am.
So did you enjoy today's class?
Yes.
Yes. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.